I made this today, or converted it anyway. I had a tender, but no loco for this Bing train, so I got a tank engine and took the back off and turned it into this. So this just hooks into the back like that. It's hard to do with one hand, but as you can see, I just really straightened the hook and then bent the end over so that it hooks into the original coupling slot. Took the buffers off, painted the back. This loco was sadly a lot missing off of it. The whole front bogie was missing, so I made up this plate, copied it from another loco, bent it up, drilled a couple of holes for the wheels, and there we go. It's got a couple of Hornby 00 metal wheels in it, so looks nice. Yeah, so it makes a tender engine. I'm happy with that. Didn't have one before, and this is my next project. I've got to make this roof, which is going to be a bit of a job, but this one goes on here. It's a Bing station. I think it's O-gauge really, but it'll do the job nice. I'm going to put a flat roof on the top, so I'm going to make the roof exactly the same for this side as that one, and yeah, that'll look good on the layout. Okay, I've made the roof for this station. Tin plate out of an air freshener. There's the original roof. I copied that and made a metal roof under there with the same tin as from the air freshener, and just covered it with some paper roof tile kind of effect. So I'll do the other ones with it. I was going to paint it, but I think it's better like this. Yeah, cool. Well, now it's finished. Looks quite good. Done all three in the same, and it's not a bad station now. Yeah, pleased with that. I hope you enjoyed my video, and maybe you can repair a few bits yourself in a similar way. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up or subscribe for more videos coming. Bye for now.